Going to buy there, Richie. What else will you buy? Richie, eggnog. And here, the convenience. Sa convenience, ang tabi. Pwede ra po, no? Ada na. May kunak din. Ay, mami. It's yummy.
Yes.
It's like Coco Crunch. Yeah? No, familiar with Coco Crunch, no? But Coco Crunch food siya. The easy. I tell the viewers, I am now home.
Guys, I'm now home, guys.
Dito na ka, mag-ingon. Dito ka na ingon kay maklara ka. Okay, look at here. Say, I am now home.
I'm now home, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.